Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the cool concept of data spaces in Data Cloud. Data spaces in Salesforce are virtual boundaries within your data cloud that segment, govern, and secure data for specific BU, regions, or use cases. Think of them as dedicated data zones. Each space can have its own rules for access and usage, but they all live within the same Salesforce Data Cloud environment. Let me show you one example. This is a snapshot of one Data Cloud instance that have 3 different data spaces. And as you can see on my screen, each data space can have its own set of Data Cloud components, starting from DLO to segments and activations. This actually gives flexibility in Data Cloud instance to segregate data across different data spaces. Let's take an example from one of the retail company that operates across different regions, let's say North America and Europe. With the help of data spaces, they can actually have data coming into Data Cloud and segregate as per data spaces. Now, if I go to the data space and you can see on my screen, I can assign DLO, which is data lake object, to different data spaces. Now, as it's a developer org, I can only spin one data spaces, but as per Salesforce limits and help document, I can have up to 50 data spaces in one Data Cloud environment. Now going back, as I was talking about segments, while creating a segments in Data Cloud instance, on clicking of new, it actually gives you a drop down of data space. What does that mean is once marketing team are creating segments in Data Cloud, they can actually select which data they want to build this segment on and which data space / regions of audience they want to target from this segments and activations. In the end, I want to say that by strategically implementing data spaces, businesses can unlock the true potential of their customer data, enabling more personalized experience and driving better business outcomes. That's it for today. Thank you.